Welcome to the virtual tour of number 3 Vincent Lane in Avondale Heights. This property is located in a laneway behind a group of shops where their frontage is directly on Miliara Road. This property is behind closed gates with electronic gate entrance, and within the compound there is 4 townhouses altogether. The property's direct access is still via the laneway with a single lock-up garage that has internal access. This property is a 3-bedroom plus a separate study, single lock-up garage and 2 bathrooms plus an additional toilet/powder room. As we enter into the property, we have a hallway and staircase that leads to upstairs. To the right we have a bedroom, and downstairs we also have a powder room and the laundry. The master bedroom is located downstairs. It has wall-to-wall wardrobes, fully carpeted, both block-out and transparent blinds. And has a private ensuite with very large shower. Frosted glass window for privacy. From the master bedroom, we have the downstairs powder room and the laundry. Plenty of room for a washing machine and dryer. There is a basin with cupboards as well as a large storage area. And from the laundry there is direct access to the single lock-up garage with remote entry. And the garage also has direct access to the courtyard so that the bins can be brought straight through from the backyard into the laneway. This is the living area. Fully tiled floor, transparent and block-out blinds, doors to the courtyard. The living area is attached to the dining area as well. Plenty of space for a dining table overlooking the courtyard. And as we come into the kitchen, which is all open plan, we have an island bench, plenty of cupboard space, double sink dishwasher, cupboards all the way around, 5-burner stove, wide set oven and a pantry. The property overlooks a very private, low-maintenance courtyard with artificial grass and very minimal garden maintenance. As we go up to the upper level, we have a spiral style staircase, and this takes us directly up to the 2 bedrooms plus study plus this additional landing area. Directly off the open landing area, we have 2 bedrooms, both with wall-to-wall cupboards. And relatively the same size. Sharing the space upstairs, we have a large linen cupboard, and there's an additional room downstairs that is perfect for a gaming room, an extra bedroom, a study, or simply just storage. This room does not have the same carpeted areas as the others. It has a tiny landing space or raised area, and this area does not contain any windows. So this space can be used for your imagination. It has been used for many things in the past, including filming, a dark room, a bedroom, or a private gaming room. And lastly, the 2 bedrooms and the dark room share a large upstairs bathroom